Hey, welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. I'm in somebody else's garage today, working on the edge, getting the transmission, doing a drain and fill. First step here is to jack it up all the way in there, evenly along both sides. Transmission level plug is right here. It's a 10mm hex. I'm gonna get up underneath here, take the drain plug out. But to get to that, I'm gonna take this air shield cover off. This is a drain bolt for the transmission. It's a 11mm. This transmission fluid's nice and dirty. Definitely needs to be changed. So it's going to take about 4 quarts of Mercon low viscosity. This is a 5-quart jug. It's going to take a little bit more. The fill plug is right here. It requires you just pull straight out. I just unplug the mass airflow sensor here, get that wire out of the way so I don't pour oil over it. Level hole plug removed here. I'm going to fill it slowly, about 4 quarts worth until it starts leaking out. Plug that hole and turn it on. You gotta set temperature right there of 185 to 200 degrees. 92. Check this, see where it's at. Alright, a little dribble coming out. Okay. Pretty simple to change the transmission fluid on the 18 Edge. This is a 2-liter. I think it was a 13 to 18 Edge, is about the same. So for this project, this is a recap. You're just going to need a 11mm for the drain bolt on the bottom, a 10mm hex for the level fill plug on the side. The top fill port, you just unplug the cap. Then it's going to need a little bit more than 4 quarts, depending on what you get out. So just get a 5-quart jug and Mercon, low viscosity. It should be just fine. Just fill until it starts pouring out. 185 to 200 degrees. I'm just going to need a scanner for that. You don't need my diagnostic scanner, just a cheap Bluetooth scanner will do the same. If you like this video and have any suggestions or anything, leave a comment on the bottom, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.